if you're constantly struggling to have that clear view through your glass shower door. And I'm not talking about the mist of a good steamy shower. Yeah, you know that seemingly permanent cloudy haze left by the combination of soap scum and hard water? Or worse yet, how about moving those brown unsightly stains from your toilet bowls that just pop up from nowhere? If you are, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Ruth. This is Zoe. And we'd like to welcome you to the Handy Mom 868, where I will help you maintain, organize, and decorate using some of my tried and true tips and hacks. Make sure to stay till the end to receive an invaluable tip that some professional cleaners don't know. Stay tuned. The bathroom is undoubtedly the most challenging place to keep clean. Why? It's in constant use and it's seldom seen by anyone outside of our household. Add having hard water to that mix and it just feels like so much more work. Firstly, let me say that if you haven't watched the first 2 episodes from this series and you have hard water in your home, you're robbing yourself of some vital information. You don't have to take my word for it. Check them out and see for yourself. Anyway, I've mentioned before in those videos that I have used many products over the past probably 6 years to try to keep my home in tip-top shape despite the onslaught of hard water or lime scale on many of the surfaces. You see, I live in and I manage a condo building, and I've been forced to spend countless hours researching, buying, and testing various products and methods. I've even tried to pick the brain of professional cleaners who I've worked with from time to time. One of the products that is commonly recommended is Lime Away. Now, this product worked for a while until I realized that it was slowly eating away at the grout in the shower and also causing horrible discoloration to the shower fixtures. Ooh, and that smell. That's a story all on its own. Some persons will say that it should be used in the toilet. Yeah, my plumber sir would say that is mad people thing. He actually despises the use of any of those harsh products marketed as toilet bowl cleaners, especially for those of us with septic systems. Apparently, those products kill the good bacteria that we need to keep our systems healthy and functional. I've had similar experiences with CLR and a few other products that I just can't remember the name of right now. Some looked promising when applied, but after I washed and dried the shower doors, I could still see that hard water residue. Now, to be fair, if you take too long between the cleaning of your glass shower doors, the pores in the glass, yes, the pores, who knew that glass had pores, did you? Anyway, these pores allow hard water to stick to the surface, increasing the adhesion of the mineral buildup, which makes it more difficult for the product to fully penetrate, making the product seem ineffective. I discovered this product purely by accident as I was looking for an attachment for my cordless drill that would take the place of some of the manual scrubbing that I normally have to do in the shower. Hey, my goal is always to work smarter. Anyway, I found some scrubbing pads on Amazon which were recommended by a few YouTubers who were battling hard water themselves. And while adding them to my cart, this other product was recommended as being purchased by others. So I looked it up, got all excited that it was a natural product, watched a few videos on persons reviewing it, and decided I had to try it. So you get to review it with me today. Yeah, you! Let me give you a quick view of the second shower in my apartment. Now, this shower was used by my older teenage daughters when they lived with us. They were responsible for its cleaning and maintenance, And I think at some point they became disheartened with the work required in maintaining it. I've deliberately left this bathroom like this so that I can properly test and find a solution to my shower dilemma. You would notice the disintegration that the lime away has caused to the white grout over the few years of use. So I would highly suggest that if you have colored grout or stone, that you stay away from this product. I'm going to test 3 separate panes of glass. One with vinegar, one with Barkeeper's Friend, and the last with my new product. Now, the disclaimer. If you are constantly cleaning your shower, say twice weekly, or the hard water in your area is mild, regular vinegar and hard water should do the trick. However, if you ain't got time for that, like me, with a toddler, business, and life in general, store-bought vinegar alone just won't cut it. I've actually tried searching for commercial grade vinegar, which seems to be a rare find in Tobago, but which might be the only vinegar option to treat with the severity of the hard water that we have here. Okay, let's take a look at the results. What do you think? See, the vinegar has barely made a dent on this area. The problem with vinegar is that its liquid consistency means that it's difficult to keep it in constant contact with the surface, unless you've soaked an old sheet or something and secured it to the glass. Yeah, which I've tried before, and that too is another story. The second product, Barkeeper's Friend, performs better than the vinegar. It's actually what I used before this new product, and I was somewhat happy with the results in my master shower, but I wasn't over the moon in love. Yeah, my eyes were still wandering. What I love about this Bioclean product is that there's no overpowering trip to the ER type of smell. It actually has a pleasant minty odor. It's also a nice creamy consistency which will stay in contact with your surfaces longer, giving it a better chance of working effectively. It seems to have a much better results than using the vinegar or the Barkeeper's Friend. What do you guys think? Now, one thing that I've noticed about all these cleaners, once you rinse them off with water, there's still a bit of haze left on the surface. Here's where you would use a glass sealer like this to close up those pores. Then a conditioner. That's when I bring out my faithful Pledge orange oil, as seen in my episode 2, dealing with hard water in the kitchen. I use this to polish the surface to a brilliant shine. A note to the wise, 1 drop or 2 on a dry cloth is sufficient to cover a large surface area. And please, don't use it on your floor tiles. If I have to tell you why, then there are other issues at play here. I'm just saying. Now, let me touch on this glass sealer a bit. I've used this glass sealer that is recommended for use with this product. Same brand. However, there are other glass sealers which act as barriers to water and allows the water to just run off the glass, thereby reducing the need to clean as often. One such product is Rain-X Shower Door Water Repellent. At the time of filming, this product was completely sold out online. So for those of you who are up to a challenge and want to see the benefit of not having to clean your shower doors or tiles as often, I'll suggest that you purchase this product or any of the other water repellents for glass and let me know how it works out for you. Just leave me a comment in the comment section of this video telling me which product you used and whether it made a difference. Talking about making a difference, I must say that what has made the biggest difference in the cleaning of my shower tiles, both on the walls and the floors, has been me leaving the product to sit overnight. So whether you're using the borax paste, Barkeeper's Friend, Sif, or any of those cream cleaners, I've found that they are most effective when you allow them some time to get into the surface and do their job. Yeah, no wipe on, wipe off like on a commercial. This is real life. If the job, however, requires more elbow grease, you may want to consider snapping up a few non-scratch pads to help break down the deposits, some water-grade sandpaper, and if you're adventurous like me, a scrubbing pad attachment for your cordless drill. I'm basically using this attachment to agitate the surface of the buildup to remove some of it, but also to help the product penetrate better where the discoloration is stubborn. There are some areas where I'll still need to use a bit of sandpaper, which I'll attach to my electric palm sander. You may have noticed that I've been applying these products with bare hands. Please don't do that unless you actually want a chemical peel on your hand. Also, if you decide to use the drill attachment, please wear safety glasses and cover your hair. Yeah, I learned that last part the hard way. So let me be straight with you guys. Depending on how long the buildup has been on your tiles, it may take several attempts to restore them to a satisfactory condition. Be patient. I'm mentioning this area last, although it's the first place I usually treat in my bathroom cleaning as part of my top-down cleaning method, which is to start any cleaning job from the top, such as the ceiling, and then you end at the floor level. So in the shower, I begin with my shower head. I fill a clear bag, usually a glass storage bag, and then I use rubber bands to carefully secure it over the shower head. This usually remains there for the duration of the time it takes for me to clean the shower, which is usually overnight. Then I use a toothpick to clean off any of the remnants in the holes of the jets. Turn on the shower on its hottest temperature and allow it to do its job. This gives your shower head a new lease on life, and you get the full use of all the jets to hit your body in all the right spots. Yeah. Okay, this episode addressed the shower part of your bathroom. There are other areas of the bathroom that are affected by hard water, and I'll deal with those areas separately. So up next, check out the video on how I treat with hard water stains in your toilet. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. While you're here, comment and share with me some of your bathroom cleaning habits. Remember to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll know when the next video in this series is uploaded. If you've missed the first 2 episodes, click on the playlist to catch up. Also, join me on Facebook and Instagram where you'll get little nuggets of info in between videos. As usual, it was my pleasure bringing you this information, and I hope to see you guys again soon. See ya.